How to reset color settings in Windows 10, PC or laptop. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we'll see how you can reset color settings on Windows 10 PC or laptop. It's a very easy and simple process, so now let's get started. First of all, you need to go ahead and click on the Start button and then tap on the settings icon to open your system settings. Click on System and then go to Display. In Display, scroll down and find the Advanced Display settings and click on it. Here you will find your display monitor. If you're using multiple monitors, you will see multiple displays listed. I'm using only one, so it's showing me one display. Click on the Display Adapter Properties for Display 1. Now switch to Color Management tab and tap on Color Management. This will open a new window. And in the Color Management window, click on Advanced tab again and use the Windows Display Calibration and check the box. Click Close all the open windows until you return to the display settings. Lastly, restart your computer, as restarting your machine will reset your color settings in Windows 10. So that's it for the video. I hope you found it informative. If you did, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.